Hello, little artists. Today, we're drawing a very special friend of ours. Can you guess who it is? He's yellow, fluffy, and loves honey. Yes, it's Winnie the Pooh. While we draw him, let's go on a fun adventure together. Grab your coloring supplies and follow along. One bright, sunny morning in the 100-acre wood, Winnie the Pooh woke up feeling very hungry. He rubbed his belly and said, "Oh bother, I need a little smackerel of something sweet." Pooh looked around and said, What's the perfect breakfast today?" Can you guess? That's right, he wanted honey. But when he went to his cupboard, he saw, gasp, his honey pot was missing. Pooh scratched his head and thought, where could it have gone? So Pooh decided to go on an adventure to find his honey pot. He waddled out of his house, and his first stop was to visit his best friend, Piglet. "Oh dear, Pooh, I haven't seen your honey pot," said Piglet, shaking his little head. "But maybe Tigger knows where it is." Pooh smiled. Tigger always knows how to find things, or at least he thinks he does. So, off they went to find Tigger. As Pooh and Piglet were walking, Pooh said, "I hope Tigger doesn't bounce me into the clouds like last time." Can you imagine how funny it would be if Pooh got bounced up in the air? Well, let's keep drawing Pooh's steps along the path. Soon, they found Tigger bouncing through the forest. Boing, boing. Tigger landed right in front of them, his tail bouncing around. "Well, hello there, Pooh Bear. What's all the fuss about?" Pooh said, "I lost my honey pot, Tigger. Have you seen it?" Tigger thought for a moment, bouncing up and down. No honey pots here, Pooh, but I know where to look next. Let's try Rabbit's house. He's always busy in his garden and might have seen something." "Pooh, Piglet," and Tigger rushed over to Rabbit's house. Rabbit was busy planting vegetables when Pooh asked, "Rabbit, have you seen my honey pot?" Rabbit looked up from his gardening and said, "No, Pooh, I haven't seen your honey pot, but maybe Christopher Robin has it." "Oh yes, Christopher Robin," Pooh said, remembering that he had been to a picnic with him just the day before. So off they went to see Christopher Robin. When they reached Christopher Robin's house, Pooh smiled brightly. Christopher Robin laughed and said, "Pooh Bear, you left your honey pot at the picnic yesterday. I brought it inside to keep it safe for you." Pooh's face lit up like the sun. He was so happy to hear this. He took the honey pot from Christopher Robin and dipped his paw inside. Sweet honey. Pooh sighed happily. There's nothing like honey on a day like this. Then Pooh, Piglet, Tigger, Rabbit, and Christopher Robin all sat together and enjoyed the beautiful sunshine. And from that day on, Pooh always made sure to check his picnic spots before going to bed. That way, he could always find his honey pot when he woke up the next morning. And there you have it, little artists. Pooh Bear and his friends had a wonderful adventure, and now our drawing of Pooh is complete. Great job, everyone. I hope you had fun coloring along. Remember, sometimes the best adventures are the ones you have with friends, just like Pooh and his pals. I can't wait to see you all again for another fun drawing and storytelling adventure. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to draw next time. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to enjoy your honey just like Pooh.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.